25 kVA single-phase pole transformer for overhead rural and coastal distribution lines. It operates on 12,470 GRDY 7.2 primary and 120-240 XV secondary, 60 Hz, with aluminum windings, laminated core, ONAN cooling, and an NLTC 5 cap range. The arrestor protects the transformer by diverting lightning and switching surges to ground before the insulation is stressed. Its 9 kVA rating matches the system voltage, so it activates early, preventing insulation damage, winding failure, and oil degradation, ensuring reliable service in overhead networks prone to surges. It delivers 98-87 efficiency, 1.9% 10 impedance, and comes with a 9 kVA arrestor. It typically supplies 3-6 homes or a small roadside business, and is mounted on wooden poles with standard hardware.